Well, hello there, YouTube. So, it's been a while since I've filmed a video. Kind of got some girl problems going on, so yeah, that's resulted in me moving the Switch out of the basement into a portable storage building because I have no idea where I'm going after the house sells. So, the best way to go about this was put it into a portable building. So, here's what I got dropped off here about a month ago, and with the help of some very good friends who I owe a lot of beer to, we got everything moved in here. There's a little cramp, needs some more rearranging. Those switchboards are eventually going to go on that back wall after that back wall is finished. So here's the XY. You may recognize it from some of my other videos. Got a little bit of heat in here. Still kind of a mess. It's a lot of stuff in progress at this time, but the switch is back working. Ring generators right there. This is a different one than I was using before. So we'll use a little less power than the 5 frequency unit. Still running the tube dial tone generator. Here's the something that came from the CO that this thing was installed in. And it was installed at the top of that, but well, there's no space there right now. Here's the power supply running the whole thing now. So a little smaller, also a little bit less power hungry. Let's see here. Some of the display stuff there. This is the like system. It's not operational yet, but it does work. It's got to get a couple phones hooked up to it and get the power turned on. This is a nice little switch. This is it also has ringing and tone out of it. Kind of a strange matrix for the switching fabric, but definitely neat. All this stuff is neat. That's why I collect it. 525 switchboard. Just need some more circuit plates than that. That does work too. This is the power supply I was using before, but this was definitely using a lot of power, and it was providing more power than I will ever need. Channel bank, that's going to be connected to CNET and the PSTN. And just some miscellaneous bullshit that I really am not using right now. So, superstructure is attached in several different places. Yeah, it's not the most professional job in the world, but you gotta work with what you got. So, yeah, let's see if we can make a call through this thing. Well, it's not a bell phone, but it's working. So we're back in business. Miscellaneous bullshit that I'm not using right now. There you have it.